Hi guys, welcome back. It's Angelica. I am going to be checking out some more live Porcupine Tree today, and this one is called The Sound of Music, and it is also from their In Absentia album, which I have been checking out live performances of. I've checked out Blackest Eyes, Trains, and now I want to check this one out. This is a great song. I love the drumming in this song. I love the guitar solos in this song too, so I'm really looking forward to seeing these guys on the stage performing this. This is from the Arriving Somewhere show in Chicago, so let's check it out.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Hear the sound of music drifting in the aisles. Elevator Muzak stretching on for miles. The music of the future will not entertain. It's only meant to repress and neutralize your brain. Soul gets squeezed out, edges get blunt. Demographic gives what you want. One of the wonders of the world is going down. It's going down. It's one of the wonders of the world, and no one cares. No one cares.
I just want to say too, I absolutely love the bass line in this song. It is so good. Let's keep going. This sounds amazing already. Now the sound of music comes in silver pills, engineered to suit you, building cheaper thrills. The music of rebellion makes you wanna rage, but it's made by millionaires who are nearly twice your age. Soul gets squeezed out, edges get blunt. Demographic gives what you want. One of the wonders of the world is going down. It's going down. It's one of the wonders of the world. No one cares. No one cares enough. It's one of the wonders of the world is going down. It's going down. It's one of the wonders of the world. No one cares. No one cares enough. One of the wonders of the world is going down. It's going down. I know. It's one of the blunders of the world, but no one cares. No one cares. One of the wonders of the world is going down. It's going that so much. One of the first things that stuck out to me was I'm not sure I had put this together yet, listening to the studio version, but how effective it is that the bass doesn't come in until the chorus, and how it really adds such an added layer of texture and rhythm when that bass comes in the chorus, and it's so melodic too. It really adds so much, and again, like it makes it even more effective that they wait and withhold it from us in the verses, because when it comes in the chorus, it just punches right through it. I love that so much. It didn't really dawn on me until I saw Colin Edwin standing there with his hands clasped, just patiently waiting to play during the verse. Wow. What a great band. They sound amazing live. Gavin is from another planet. I just adore the way he drums, and I love that he never plays something exactly like he played it in the studio version. I love that he's so fluid and present and just adds all these new flavors and rhythms to the live performances. It's just so wonderful to listen to him. You just never know what he's going to do. And I love his drumming on this. I believe this song is in 7, and it has such a cool groove. And again, Steven blows me away with the live vocals. I love his stage presence. I know I keep saying that, but I loved his guitar solo in this too. He's so confident in the way that he walks around and plays. You know, I've seen a couple documentaries of theirs now, and he's talked about not being a very good musician. I deeply disagree with him on that. I think it's wonderful that he's so humble, but, you know, I thought that guitar solo was wonderful. I loved all the little new things that he did with it. Actually, let's hear it again. I really loved... There was one moment in particular that I really thought was great. I want to see again. Let's see. Maybe around here. Great tone on that guitar too. Sorry. Guitar solo. Jeez. That is such a great song. I love that. They did not disappoint. Thank you for checking this out with me, and I will see you on the next one.